Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 C300 4MATIC. This one is a palladium silver. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 248 horsepower and 251 pounds torque. Also included is a sports package, which is going to give you a sports exterior and interior look. 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back. Spoiler. C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate. We've got a clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. On the inside, we've got a burl walnut wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, media display and navigation, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission. This C-Class has 57,776 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.